Yo, what's going on, EDM YouTube? We are in Vegas, city of Las Vegas. We're here for EDC Las Vegas. We're gonna be here for 2 days, Friday, Saturday. If you guys have seen my recent videos and my latest videos from over the years, you know that I've been to Vegas for EDC a bunch of times. I think the last video was like a Camp EDC edition stuff. If you aren't following me, my name is Manny, aka Frisky Hug. Give it a follow, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna take you on this journey. We're gonna be here for 2 days. We're staying at the Stratosphere. We're gonna take some pictures up there. We haven't done that yet though. It's pretty early, it's like 12 o'clock. I just got here last night. Almost missed my flight. Forgot my EDC Las Vegas ticket, so I gotta go to Will Call. But yeah, this is an EDC Las Vegas vlog. Enjoy. As you guys saw in the intro, I was in a hurry. I got off of work, went straight home. I packed real quick and I left, and I went to my buddy's house because he was close to the airport. When I was heading to the airport, I'm like, I forgot my fucking wristband. Turns out my flight was delayed an hour and a half. I could have 100% made it home, got my wristband, everything would have been just fine. But you know, I don't do well in little panic modes, and I make the best out of decisions from what I know. And what I knew was that I was going to miss my flight at that moment. So dude, check out these murals. What the hell, dude? It's dope. There's literally a mural like every corner. Okay, so I got my wristband. The Wilco line is super small. At 11 o'clock in the morning, I would assume so, right? I got this bike. It's like one of those park ride bike things. The only issue with this bike is I had to return it to like a docking station, which I cannot find. So I'm gonna head back and return it to where I got it from. But yeah, was able to get my wristband. It was super easy. With this bike, I literally got here like 5 minutes. So we're like a mile away, so it's not that big of a deal. All I'm saying is if you go to Vegas, you're gonna get Manny's discount. I'm giving out discounts. So I've returned to AC Paradise, thank God. That bitch is hot outside. What do you guys think about the fit? So this is what I'm going with. Nothing but good vibes on here. So this just says thank you for existing, and then please stay, and then the back says I don't know if you can see it, but it says you're not a burden. So we're heading up to the sky deck now.
Let's go.
We wanted to take some pictures with this outfit here. So we're at the Wynn, which is where they're staying. So I don't know if you remember them from the last vlog for Project Glow. Well, I think you know for Julie for sure, but that's Cassie. And then obviously you know Eric, the guy that looks like Pasquale from last year's pictures. And then Sam. I fuck with you. Beautiful, look at this. They have my own personal shower. I let my friends in. That's cool though. You got the bar. Dang, bro. We're going to play some video games. Yeah, they're just staying here for a second. They're gonna leave soon though.
Like kind of cute. No, dude. That
Party
was
in
like,
the elevator. We don't got any music, but it'd be bumping up in this.
My fucking ears pop in this. I know, me too.
Like
no, dude, that was like Calista got hired. Could you imagine?
We've been stuck in traffic for like
40 minutes.
Yeah, we chose this life though, so we're here for it. Alright, I'm inside, but I lost the grip. I had to go get my flag. I left it in the car, so we had to separate. I think they said they're gonna go to circuit grounds. Julian and Cassie are still at the VIP at Market grounds.
Come and catch 'em.
He's not even working. He's not even working and stuff.
Hey, it's fun night, baby. It's fun night.
Yeah. Oh, be fucking the wind. This is the fucking guy.
We tried. We thriving.
Thriving is a good word. Look at him go. Look at him go. Hey, yeah, Frisky Smoke. Hey. are back to the hotel. We left a little early to like beat traffic. There was zero traffic on the way here, by the way. So we left at 3:30. Got to the hotel around 4.
Yeah, it was a great day one. Cheers.